In this tutorial, we dive deep into the newly launched Recraft V3, the advanced AI image generator that transforms your ideas into stunning visuals with its enhanced text-to-image capabilities. Packed with innovative features, Recraft V3 is creating a buzz across the AI community. With its state-of-the-art technology, it's pushing the boundaries of image creation. Could this be the next champion of AI image generation? Let's explore. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me to create more useful tutorials in the future. First, we visit the Recraft AI website. Click on the Get Recraft Free button located in the top right corner of the website. We need to create an account and log in. Before accessing the website, you'll be asked a few questions about your job, your goals for using Recraft, and how you discovered this AI platform. After that, you'll come to the price plan page. As of the release date of this tutorial, Recraft AI offers a completely free plan with sufficient credits. With the free plan, you'll receive 50 free credits daily, which automatically refresh every day. Click on the free plan button and you will come to the main workspace. In the left panel, you can see that there are 4 options: image, frame, image set, and mockup. Image allows you to create raster and vector images. Frame lets you drag and drop images and texts into frames to generate any graphic design. Image set generates up to 6 consistent style images. And mockups allow to drag an image on it and get a perfect product image. I click on the image option. A canvas is created in the center of the page. First, you need to select the canvas size. I select 1920 by 1080 size. You can also choose the aspect ratio of your choice from here, depending on the platform you're creating content for. I select 16 by 9 ratio. Below the canvas size settings, there's a drop-down list containing various presets and illustration models. These can transform your image into styles like photorealism, vector art, illustration, natural light, studio photo, HDR, hand-drawn, black and white, pencil sketch, and much more. To apply any of these styles, you simply click the Apply button for the respective style. There are 2 options in the Models section, Recraft version 3 and Recraft 20B. First, I choose Recraft version 3 Raw, one of the latest options available on this platform. Here in the prompt box we can enter our prompt. Let's test this image generator by writing this prompt: John Cena, 3D cartoon style, looking at the camera. By going to this option of the images, you can generate a maximum of 2 images because the free plan has the limitations to generate 2 images at a time. Next, in the visibility section, there are 2 options, public and private. However, enabling the private option is only available in the paid plans. Now we will click on the Recraft button and the image generation process will begin. After a few moments, the images are ready. As you can see, the results are quite impressive. Recraft AI image generator has effectively converted my prompt into visuals. Let's now generate a new image and test it again to see what results it gives us this time. Without changing any previous settings, I click Recraft button. And in a short time the images are ready. Look at this, the results are remarkable. The AI completely understood my text prompt and the generated images perfectly match my expectations. To save this image, click on Export button, select resolution of the image and then select Format. Now let's generate an image using another style. And this time select the illustration style. In the prompt box, we enter our prompt. Beautiful women, side pose, looking at someone. Now click the Recraft button. After a few seconds, the new images are ready. As you can see, the result for illustration style are also excellent with beautifully generated images. This time we are trying a new style. After clicking on the Styles button, we will go to the Model section and select Recraft 20B. Now here we select the cartoon style and click on the Apply button. In the prompt box, I paste this prompt. A happy cartoon image, Disney style. Now below we will see a Specify Details option in which we select High. Now click the Recraft button. After a very short time, the images are ready. And look at the result of these cartoon images. It's really superb result. I wasn't expecting such a good result. I am very impressed with Recraft's AI image generation technology. Now let's try to create a logo. I will create my channel logo and see what kind of results it gives us this time. Go to the Style section, select Recraft version 3 model, and then select Illustration Style. Now enter the prompt in the prompt box. I enter this simple prompt, Tech Advent logo, for YouTube. Select aspect ratio 1:1. And then select canvas size 800 by 800. Click the Recraft button. After a few seconds, our logo is ready and wow, you can see how amazing logos he has created for our YouTube channel. You can also create professional logos for any of your brands using Illustration Style. If you want to create an editable logo for your brand, you need to go to the styles and choose Vector Art Style. Enter your prompt in the prompt box for whichever company you want to create a logo for. I paste my prompt. We leave all other settings as they are and click on the Recraft button. You can see that Recraft has created a logo for us according to our prompt, which is certainly very impressive. And the real cool thing is that, whenever you choose Vector Art Style you can editable vector graphics, because this is something that other image generators at the current moment cannot do. We can use this fader to easily reduce the amount of colors. Also you can change the entire colors of your image, as I am doing in front of you. Once you are done adjusting your logo in Recraft, you can go to Export and then save your logo as a vector graphic, and the way you do that is by clicking on SVG format, not PNG or JPEG format. Now to edit this vector graphic for free, all you need to do is to go to photopea.com. And here you can change the editable vector graphic logo to your liking, add different elements to it, just like I have done. I hope you liked this tutorial on my Recraft. This is just the beginning, there's so much more waiting for you. If AI excites you, you're exactly where you need to be. You should go and try Recraft AI once. You will definitely have a lot of fun generating images here, and best of all, this platform is completely free. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with every new video. Let's explore the future of AI together because the future is AI.